been amazing. I love it. It's everything I wanted and more. I fell in love with the podcast first and wanting to experience what I've been hearing and the passion through the podcast and actually experience myself in real life on tour. And it has not just matched but exceeded.
Turin, I love the city. I love the architecture. Carlotta was a wonderful guide. The churches that we went into were just amazing. They were beautiful.
We were looking for a tour that was sort of small and intimate. We didn't want to have like the commercialized cattle car, follow a flag tour. We wanted something intimate, and this has been fabulous. A small group, a great guide. It's just been wonderful.
This tour group doesn't feel like a group of strangers coming together. It's like an extended family coming together.
It was just wonderful. It was personal, and it let us see Italy from a whole different perspective.
It's just been amazing. Like, I've had the best food probably so far in Italy in this region.
Enjoying local food, eating fresh focaccia cooked by somebody's mother. It was wonderful. Food highlight, the panna cotta. I love that. It was good. It was like this jiggly cream dessert. It was amazing.
My highlight have got to be the hunting dogs because I love the puppies. But there's something that has either surprised or you've learnt something new or you've had a laugh with the group. Like, it's you taking it all in. Like, you cannot go to sleep at the end of the day without going, I've just had the most amazing day ever. Let's do it all again tomorrow.
I think I liked going to a small winery. I've had some whites, I've had some sparkling, but the reds are amazing. The Barolo wine, it was just wonderful. I loved it.
The team have been amazing, communication's been amazing, and I'm already booking the next one. As you know, Umbria, yes.
My sister and I are already looking at the different regions and sort of actually arguing about which one we'd go on next. So we'll battle it out and we'll definitely let you know.